So here's how to save a Word document to your desktop. It's quite simple and easy thing to do. So let's get started, guys. First of all you need to do, move your cursor on the left upper side into the file option. Just simply tap on the file, and then on the left you will probably see this option called save as. You need to tap on the save as. Then go to the browse option and click on it. Now on the left, as you can see, we have a scroll bar. We need to scroll it up like this, and then you probably see the desktop option. So you need to tap on the desktop. Now you need to type the file name here. So for my case, I will type testing like this, and then simply from here you need to tap on save, and that's how you can save the file into the desktop. So if you go back to the desktop, and as you can see, we got the file right over here into the desktop. So that's how you can save a document into your desktop. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.